from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Thank you for watching my video. I don't got that many subscribers, so if you watching, I really appreciate it. No, but for real, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look with a U-part wig. Yeah, I haven't had leave out in a long time, so this was kind of like it was feeling new because I haven't done it in so long. But I caught on one, I got it, we got it, and that's what we looking like. Ain't it cute, y'all? And I haven't ever had kinky straight hair, and I actually love this texture. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching.
Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been
Okay, so it did better, but it's not laying as flat as I wanted to. I think I'm just so used to wigs now that I want it so flat, but I know it could be flatter because of these two corner pieces. I'll talk more about that at the end. But this is what it's looking like. It's not as thin as I thought it was, but it's not full either. It's very natural density.
Smoking on the low, I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I mean the mess of my mind, and I mean to make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, you could leave. I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Got till the morning, my want to done from your loving. I just wanna
Okay, y'all, this is a finished look. I added crimps just to like give it some texture, also to make it look more full because it wasn't as full as I wanted it to be. So yeah, let me show you how far it goes. This is how long it is on me. This is a 22-inch, yeah, 22-inch U-part wig. So yeah, I was sent this hair from, I think I'm pronouncing it right, CATWO? CATWO maybe? It's spelled CATWO, and this is their Kinky Straight Brazilian U-part wig in 22 inches. I'll have the link to this hair linked in my Amazon storefront, so you can find it there. So installing the hair was pretty easy. The only issue I had is with the 2 front corners. This would have been great if I had a braid down where I could have sewed it down onto it. But I just made it work. I put 2 bobby pins just to make it as flat as I could get it, just so it wasn't sticking out. Also, the wig is big hair friendly. I have lots of room in the middle. I tightened the adjustable straps in the back just so I can get it to fit my head and fit snug. I also have the clips clipped into the sides and the back. But overall, this hair was really nice to work with. I'm so glad that the ends are not thin. When I was flat ironing the hair, I was noticing that the hair was getting thinner as I went down, but it wasn't thin. Like, the ends are not noticeably thin. And the texture, A1. I love the texture. I haven't worn leave out in so long, like I don't even know what to do no more. But this wig made it so easy. So I'm kind of glad. The hair is soft. It doesn't shed much. I got a little shedding. I guess it's gone now. I got a little shedding, but it's nothing crazy, nothing bad. It's not gonna look like a dog, so that's good. But overall, this hair is very, very nice. I plan on wearing this again when I feel like playing with leave out. So if you guys like this hair, check them out on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in my Amazon storefront, like I said before, so you guys can get it. I actually like this. Kind of even. Yeah. Okay. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.